Welcome back, IP4. I hope you are doing great and you are staying safe and staying home. Today we are talking about Google, and this is our 16th lesson together. So let's get started. First of all, Gmail. What is Gmail? Gmail is a free web-based email service that provides users with gigabytes of storage for your messages and provides the ability to search for specific messages. So, for example, when you send emails or receive emails, it will save for you so you can come back and search the email that you sent out or got. So you can find it from last year, 2 years ago, so it will keep it for you. So it will not be lost. That's one good thing. Second thing, it's free. Third thing is that it automatically fixes not fixes, it separates emails. So it will understand which emails are more important and are from actual people. So it will keep it as a set, and in your inbox, it will separate the advertisement in social or advertisement folder, and it will separate also the ones that it thinks it has viruses or it's dangerous. So it will go to the junk or spam folder. Drive. Google Drive is a cloud-based storage solution that allows you to save files online and access them anywhere from any smartphone, tablet, or computer. You can use Drive on your computer or mobile device to securely upload your files and edit them online. Drive also makes it easier for others to edit and collaborate on files. So collaborations are what it means. It means you work together. It's a group work. So you work together and you collaborate with each other. So you help each other on the files. Classroom. Classroom is very popular now. I think you guys already know Classroom. I'm guessing you guys use Classroom. So Classroom is a learning management system, which stands for LMS, that aims to simplify creating, distributing, and grading assignments and engaging students in learning online or remotely. So this is very important, especially now, because now we are in a time of the pandemic and remote studying is a big deal now. So yeah, that's Classroom. So this is on the right, you can see the picture. Next, we have Docs, which stands for documents. Google Docs is an online word processor that lets you create and format documents and work with other people. You can create and edit text documents right in your web browser. No special software is required. Even better, multiple people can work at the same time. You can see people's changes and they make them, and every change is saved automatically. So next time, if your Microsoft Word is not working on your computer, what you can do is you can come here and use Google Docs, which is very similar to Microsoft Word. And yeah, basically it can help you type and add pictures and create a document as you like. And even better, if your computer hangs or shuts down, you won't have the problem of saving it, oh, did I save, or oh, did I not save? You don't have that problem because it saves automatically online. So you can sign in from anywhere, anywhere, anytime, and you will find your document the same position, the same situation. And also you can work on this at the same time with several other people. Next, we have Sheets, which is very similar to Excel. And Google Sheets is an online spreadsheet app that lets you to create and format spreadsheets and work with others at the same time. It's a web-based spreadsheet that you can use anywhere. No more forgetting your spreadsheet files at home. So you can just sign in and find your spreadsheet online. It works from any device with mobile apps for iOS or Android, along with its web-based core app. Google Slides is one of my favorites because PowerPoint, basically, it's very similar to PowerPoint, and you can use it to have, if there is a group work or group presentation, you can use it to make the presentation at the same time. So you don't need to wait for anyone to do it first. Google Slides is an online presentation app that lets you create and format presentations and work with other people. It is online and can work with multiple people at the same time. Calendar. Calendar, as it says by the name, I think you know what a calendar is, hopefully. I want you to think about it. What do you think the calendar does? Have you thought about it? If yes, let's continue. With the Google Calendar, you can quickly schedule meetings, classes, or any events that you want to organize and get reminders about upcoming activities so you always know what's next. Calendar is designed for teams, so it's easy to share your schedule with others and create multiple calendars that you and your team can use together. So you and your team, your group mate, your teachers, so you can match your calendars and check who is when free. So next we have Meet, Google Meet, which businesses, schools, and other organizations can take advantage of. And it includes meeting online with up to 250 internal and external participants, and live streaming up to 100,000 views. And Google Meet is basically a video conferencing app, and it's good for video calls. I think you do know Meets, Google Meet. Next is forms, which you might not have used so far, but if you have noticed, my worksheet is usually in Google Forms. So you've been doing it and using it, but you just never created anything. Google Forms, it allows you to create surveys, quizzes, and it's part of Google's web-based app. Currents help people that work at the same place to chat, share files, and generally stay connected. With Google Currents, colleagues, classmates, friends can post their own messages and follow important messages shared across the company, organization, class, school, or whatever. Google Sites is a free website builder from Google. You can create websites with collaborators by giving another Google user edit access. And so it helps you create websites even, and you can collaborate, which collaboration means, I told you, it means working together as a group or a few people working on something together. Contacts, Google Contacts is a way to store and organize contact information about the people you communicate with. Each contact can contain basic information like names, email, addresses, and phone numbers, but it can also include extended information such as physical address, like where do they live, employer, who's their boss, or who's their teacher, or who's their anything. You can, depends what you're talking about. Department, what department do they study or work at, and what's the job title, or what's the class title? Is it IP1, 2, 3, 4, or is it gifted class? Which is it? So this is context, which also you can have. And overall, lastly, I want to mention that all this Google's is that you can see all of them, they have this collaborations. They can work many people at the same time. So that's a pro about this. And it saves automatically and it's online, so it will not really be lost. So if your computer break down, you will still have your file online. So you can just sign in from another laptop or computer. That's one thing. And the other thing is you can work at the same time with many people. So you can do your group work with them. Lastly, for your homework, please go to Google Forms and do the worksheet online. And once you finished it, please click submit to send the result to me. And you don't need to upload on the e-learning platform. This is automatic. It will send me your work and I will check it for you. So you don't need to upload it anywhere else. Just do it on this website, Google Forms, that we talked today also. And the due date is Thursday, 21st of October. And please make sure that you finish all your homework by 21st of October. If you have not finished any homework yet, like maybe 1, 2, 3, or even all, please finish before 21st. This is your last chance I give you. If anyone has not done some homework, this is your chance. Finish your work by 21st of October. After that, there's no more chances, okay? So do your best, finish all your homework if you have anything left. If you don't have anything left, Just do this homework and then enjoy your weekend. All right, that's all for today. Thank you everyone for joining our class and see you next week. Take care, stay safe, and have a lovely weekend. Goodbye.